Hey everyone, this is cabin 11003. This is a premium ocean view here at the front of the ship. As you see, we're just going to go all the way up. Huge picture window, as you can see. All right, so looking out the front of the ship as we're going somewhere. So that's great views. I would love to have a camera here doing time lapse. To the right of that, you have your desk, mini bar, 5 drawers. There's a table right there that nests with your little bench, lighted mirror, power standpoint, 2 US, 2 European, 2 US, 2 USB, your 2 Europeans over there. And don't forget your TV. Back behind me is a sofa that can convert to be a bed. Speaking of beds, you have your king size bed here, or 2 twins if you want to have them separated. There is USB power on the underside of those silver things here at the headboard. You have 2 closets, one here, which is shelves, drawers, safe, and hanging. This one on this side there's no safe there. There's just some drawers and hanging. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. But before, look at what you got hidden here. You know, little extra beds in here, 2 bunks. And some storage in there for whoever staying here in the bunk. So if you got some children's, this would be a great spot, guys. Look at that. And a little curtain for privacy. All right, let's check out that bathroom. Shub tower combo. Now, it's okay from a width standpoint, but I'm 6'4". And if I turn it around, you can see I'm pretty close to the ceiling. That tub is raised, so I might hit my head. However, the toilet's in a great place for my height and plenty of width, so if you're a little on the fluffy side, that'd be pretty good. Corner sink, corner mirrors, makeup mirror, as you can see. There's some shelves right here to my right. So all in all, a good bathroom. Again, I'm not partial to the Shub Tower combo because I hit my head at my height of 6'4". Outside of that, great cabin here in the back. We'll see ya. Ciao.